Hey guys, I'm showing you this Victoper Rechargeable flashlight, 4+6 mode zoomable flashlight with a super bright 20,000 high lumens with the flashlights. So LED tactical flashlight for home emergencies. So you can see this is a really heavy quality, heavy duty flashlight. So this is for the additional battery thing, charging cable, and for the batteries. So you can use it in a two mode. You can recharge this rechargeable battery or you can use the batteries here. So just open this one, you can see a rechargeable battery here. So there is a protective coating or the plastic on it, so remove it so you can use it. Then just put this one in their plus and minus way, and this is ready to go. So it's very bright as you can see, and you can also zoom in. Just keep on pressing the button and then up and down. This also have you know what is as a camping lantern. I will show you a little later on. But with this zoom thing, this is the lens. As you can see, very bright lens and warm. So once you put in the batteries, you can also use this in terms of not the rechargeable one if battery is gone, and then you can also use it this way. So keep pressing the button, you can see that it's dimming and then it will come back. So the different modes, different light, zoomable light, and also yeah, you can see like this thing, the brightness. So this is the band that comes, and also this is the flashlight for the camping lantern. So you can see this have different colors. So you keep pressing and you will see like the different colors and the use here. So this is a warm high, warm low, warm breathing, orange high, orange low, and orange breathing, so that you can use. So you can use it as a flashlight, as the camping lantern, as you can put it there on the top like the stand here, and yeah, this work as a camping lantern here. So very nice design with a rechargeable light. You can also charge your mobile from it. I will show that too. So there is a USB that you can use, so you can put any USB device in it to do that. The charging is pretty easy with the USB-C cable. So here you can see when you open this is USB that you can charge any other thing, and a USB-C that you can use. So you can see the charging here. Yeah, nice thing.